What to do in the event of an earthquake? During an earthquake, if you're indoors, stay there. Get under and hold onto a desk or table, or stand against an interior wall. Stay away from exterior walls, glass, heavy furniture, fireplaces and appliances. If you're in an office building, stay away from windows and outside walls, and do not use the elevator. If you're outside, get into the open. Stay clear of buildings, power lines, or anything else that could fall on you. If you're driving, move the car out of traffic and stop. When parking, avoid bridges or overpasses. Try to get clear of trees, lampposts, signs, and power lines. When you resume driving, watch out for road hazards. If you're in a mountainous area, be aware of the potential for landslides. Likewise, if you're near the ocean, be aware that tsunamis are associated with large earthquakes. If you're in a crowded public place, avoid panicking and do not rush for the exit. Stay low and cover your head and neck with your hands and arms. After an earthquake, check for fire or fire hazards. If you smell gas, shut off the main gas valve. If there's evidence of damage to electrical wiring, shut off the power at the control box. If the phone is working, only use it in case of emergency. Likewise, avoid driving if possible to keep the streets clear for emergency vehicles. Listen to the radio for important information and instructions. Remember that aftershocks, sometimes large enough to cause damage in their own right, generally follow large quakes.